Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to record Teams meetings. So to start, go ahead and open Teams, then sign into your account. So to record the Microsoft Teams meeting, join or start the meeting. So once you joined in the meeting controls, in the top, so you can see the record option. So choose record and transcribe or start recording depending on your Teams version. Then everyone in the meeting will receive a notification that recording has started. So when you're finished, go ahead and select stop recording. Now you can only use this if you upgrade your account. So as you can see, it says right here, upgrade to record. So if you click on that, you can then upgrade your account. So here you have personal, family, or premium. So choose your plan, then just click buy now, then follow the following prompts. So after you upgrade your plan, so go ahead and try it again. Then that's how you can record Teams meetings. So the recording is automatically saved to OneDrive for regular meetings or SharePoint for channel meetings. So a link to the recording appears in the meeting chat where participants with permission can watch it. So if you don't see the record option, it may be because you're not the meeting organizer, co-organizer, or presenter. Your organization has disabled recording, or the organizer has restricted who can record the meeting. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.